All right, y'all. Let me walk you through this one. This started as an old beat up piece of maple live edge. Been sitting around a long time, rough, dinged up, the kind of board most people would walk right past, but I don't see trash. I see a shelf. First thing I do is bring it over to the miter saw. I measure it out, square up the ends, and cut off the ugly. Nothing fancy. Just getting it clean and to the length I want. Because on a floating shelf, if your ends aren't square, it's going to show once it's cut. I take it straight to the planer. This board's rough, so I'm taking light passes, flipping it, running it again, letting the planer do the work. I'm not rushing it. I want both sides flat, clean, and right where I want them. Once that grain starts showing up, you know you're headed the right way. Next stop is the orbital sander. I start on the top, knocking down planer marks, working through the grits, slow and steady. Then I move to the live edge. I'm not trying to remove the live edge. That's the whole point. I just want to soften it, smooth it out, round it just enough. All right, let's head on over to the table saw. What I'm doing here is getting the back side, the side that's going to sit against the wall, as straight as I can make it. This piece of maple came off a big branch, so it's got live edges on both sides. I already cleaned one up, so now I'm cutting the other side off to create a good flat reference edge. I'm using a level as a straight edge, and this part's important. You got to push that straight edge through the saw with the board. If you don't, you're just extending the fence, and that's not what we want. This gives me one true edge I can trust for the rip. Now look at that puppy right there. Ran it through the saw, and it's nice, clean, and dead straight. It's time to make it float. I measure and mark for the hidden dowels in the back, and this part matters. All right, let's lay out the holes for the dowels. Now this really is a scrap project. I'm using dowels from an old shelf I found. You guys, y'all know how the old saying goes, one man's junk is another man's treasure. So what I did was center the dowel bracket on the shelf, mark the holes, find the center. Your hole size needs to match your dowel size. You want it snug. I'll be honest, one hole here is a little bigger than I wanted, but it's still going to work. That's woodworking. You adjust, you fix it, and you keep moving. Once everything's drilled and lined up, it's finish time. I put on a nice shiny coat of shellac, and that maple just comes alive. Grain pops, color warms up. Everything we work for shows up right here, and here's the finished product. An old beat up piece of maple turned into a clean floating shelf. Smooth, solid, rustic, but finished right. Beautiful. Man, y'all have to love this right here. Look at that. Look how that turned out. Isn't that absolutely beautiful?